Libra placements. This is a reading for you. This could be your energy. This could be the energy of someone you're connected to or the circumstance. This reading may play out from the perspective of the cross watcher. This is a timeless reading. It's also very general, so take what resonates, let the rest go. Please understand that this is not a gender-specific reading. Okay, Libra placements. So we're going to call it some help. All-knowing source, divine spirit, archangels, guides, ancestors, ascended masters, 5D and above, my higher self, and my galactic team of the highest light and resonance, star races, star family. Allow me to be the clear channel and show me clearly what I need to see for Libra placements. Okay, guys, we are going to start with your update with the faded overall energy. What's the faded overall energy for Libra placements? What's the faded overall energy for Libra placements? One card, please. Okay, and you guys have the High Priestess in reverse. Okay, moon energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in reverse here. This could definitely indicate something that is hidden, something that you're unsure about, not trusting your intuition, not trusting someone else, not trusting someone that you work with or someone that is at the head of a space that you frequent, whether it's home or work. This could indicate a dark spiritualist, dark spirituality, fears, or something here about, you know, someone isn't trustworthy, you know, possibly, okay? Disconnected. Let's get some messages from the Mysteries in the Stars Oracle just to see who or what could be coming through with the surrounding energy around Libra placements before we move into the tarot message. Show me clearly what is significant for Libra placements. Who or what is coming through. We have River Phoenix. The River Phoenix mystery star card in reverse, okay? River Phoenix was a Leo, all right? The fact that this card is in reverse is picking up on some of the, like, the shadow aspects of this archetype, all right? So in that case, you know, River Phoenix, his career and his life was cut short through experimentation with, you know, drugs and because of this, that's unfulfilled dreams, okay? Maybe some type of peer pressure. Unfulfilled dreams, peer pressure, experimentation. You could have Leo significant in your chart somewhere, or this could definitely be someone you're connected to that's coming through with this River Phoenix energy in reverse. Leo. What else is coming through? We have two more reversals, so everything is in reverse so far for Libra placements. We have the final take in reverse, okay? The final take in reverse, okay? The final take represents, it's like do or die, right? Something's getting critical. Maybe there's some type of crisis or dilemma, but whenever the final take card comes out in reverse, something wasn't perfected. Something, in order for, you know, a rocket to take off. Everything has to be precise. Everything has to like work accordingly, and it's precision. It's also things just taking off at the right time, the right moment. I feel like someone missed their chance, or again, this card is number 42, reducing to 6. All right, so this could have something to do with disconnection within a relationship, or a possible really dynamic or important relationship in your life, that something was ill-fated or not right or bad timing. All right, yeah. Final take, and the last card you guys have is restricted in reverse. Okay, so here, this is a card that indicates someone possibly being released from a space where they are trapped or held. This could be prison, jail, a facility of sorts, within their own mind. You know, the restricted card is like being banished, exiled, restricted, something that's inaccessible, borders, feeling blocked. You know, someone who plays the victim. I feel like all of that is being turned around, or if you let something go, or you were, you know, walked away from a situation, there could be something that's coming back around to revisit, to reanalyze, to reconfigure. Okay, but with the restricted card in reverse, I do feel like someone is, you know, being released, or being able to kind of like finally move past a space of being blocked, or where something was inaccessible, it now is accessible. Okay, or someone's cutting a cord, or letting something go that had them restricted, you know, possibly in some type of important connection. So those are the messages that are coming through for you, Libra placements. So let's move forward with your tarot message. What are the important messages for Libra placements? We have the King of Pentacles. So, a business, a father figure. King of Pentacles is the king of abundance. I feel like things are going well with the business, or there's someone here that is stable, secure, protective. This could be a Capricorn or an earth sign. King of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, Libra energy or air, third party situation, or something that's throwing someone off their balance here. Libra energy, air, heartbreak, pain, loss, betrayal, grief. What else for Libra placements? And the Five of Pentacles. So, Taurus energy, Earth, Five of Pentacles in reverse represents coming out of a period where there was challenges, okay? Feeling left out in the cold, rejection, pain. Someone could have been homeless. Someone could have been displaced from their family or from their job, their career path. But with the Five of Pentacles in reverse here, I feel like things are on the mend. Things are changing. Someone's saving money. Someone is, you know, having a new outlook on what they're building here in terms of their stability, their spirituality. It's been a plot twist. I feel like it's been 5 years of pain. I mean, Five of Pentacles in reverse. I feel like someone's ideas surrounding money are changing. The first card out is the King of Pentacles, which represents abundance. Something stable that's tangible, that's been manifested. Someone's in a position of power or influence. But there's something about this King of Pentacles. Could be the influence that has taken you, Libra, to a space I feel like this King of Pentacles had a very powerful influence over you in some way that's connected to a third party situation, or there's grief and pain here somewhere, okay? For you or someone, or the cross watcher, but I feel like this Three of Swords in the center here is significant. This King of Pentacles exercise their influence within this third party situation. Or maybe there was a lot of pain associated with this King of Pentacles, where you or someone was rejected or left out in the cold, having to rebuild, having to come to the space of the Five of Pentacles in reverse, where it's taken like 5 years to mend, 5 years to find yourself on the road to like financial recovery, a renewed sense of confidence. Yeah. Something just wasn't the right timing. Something didn't take off the way it should have, the way it was expected to. And therefore, things got critical, things got crucial. And there was no takeoff. False start. River Phoenix, mystery star card, unfilled potential, experimentation, peer pressure. Okay, there's something here that someone finally has been able to break free of. Right? Something that is being reevaluated, something that may have been thought gone, dead, parts of yourself, your own ambitions. There's an energy of coming back around, like you're exiled, you were banished, or something like that, and now there's this energy of it's all is not done, all is not over. I can make it through the rain. I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And if I ever feel afraid, I can make it one more day. And I'll make it through the rain, okay? So I just feel like with that Mariah Carey song, so the lyrics too, it's that kind of pain that someone experienced. I feel like someone could have been surrounded by all of the material things that they could have ever wanted, but it was too many components to this situation, or someone just felt neglected or betrayed or hurt. Had to put the pieces back together again. I can make it through the rain. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Something's on the mend. Yeah. Someone is like kicking themselves for not trusting their intuition. There's like a lot of secrets that were found out. A lot of mistrust, doubt. Mistrust, loss of respect. The Hierophant in reverse. Taurus energy. Number 5. Something shifted quickly and not for the better. You know, the Hierophant is, you know, this definitely could be the ending of a marriage, the ending of a high-level commitment. Someone, you know, possibly this could be a business situation. Someone walked away, someone got fired, someone left this business partnership, or someone's father left, or a paternal energy or masculine energy walked away from an organization or a family business. You know, the Hierophant in reverse can also indicate like someone just rebelling. Misuse of power. Someone thought that they can could control you or the situation with money or with their influence. Yeah, I'm just getting like a nasty divorce or some type of investigation. Corruption. Whoever this King of Pentacles was very influential, but it's just like, I'm just getting a negative vibe about the situation. My left temple is aching, so I don't know if there was like violence or abuse or something here, where like something to do with someone's left temple. Or someone's left-handed. Can you clarify any of this energy, please? Who's the King of Pentacles? Who's the King of Pentacles for Libra placements? Two of Swords. Libra energy. Someone that was confusing or that confused you. The Two of Swords is about making a decision. Someone that you someone that snuck up on you, someone that you didn't see both sides to. Like the wolf is sneaking up from the back. A wolf in sheep's clothing. To clarify the King of Pentacles, we have the Two of Swords. Couldn't make a decision, or there was some type of compromise made here. The King of Pentacles made a decision, or there was a decision between two people, or what's the King of Pentacles? The Knight of Cups and the Two of Swords, clarifying the King of Pentacles. Okay, so what was this King of Swords hiding behind this money, behind this influence, in this position? Looks like confusion. I feel like this King of Swords may have had an alcohol abuse problem or had addictions they were hiding. Or again, this King of Pentacles made a decision, okay, and someone was rejected in the process. A decision between you and a water sign, or another Libra or Pisces. But the Knight of Cups in reverse is someone who's been doused, who was boastful, or again rejected. The Knight of Cups comes in wanting to heal or be healed, to make an offer of love, or to move something forward, to advance. But someone got turned down, or someone was lacking confidence. Behind this influence lies an energy of jealousy and ego. Ultimately, a decision was made and someone was disappointed. Something happened quickly. Like something like was a false start. It ended before it began. Something was... The Eight of Wands, Sag energy, and it's something that's blocked, something that's not being received, anger, frustration, confusion, delays, right? False start, delays. This King of Pentacles maybe held someone in a space trying to decide between two people. Ultimately, a decision was made and something ended or something was delayed. What's the Three of Swords? The Four of Cups, Cancer energy. Being in a situation, unhappy. This guy is sitting here and surrounded by Four Cups. In the traditional Rider-Waite, they're just sitting here looking at Three Cups, right? Could be a third party situation. We have the Three of Swords, and then we have the Three Cups that the guy stares at, and the Four Cups energy focusing on like everything that they have around them. Okay, this is what I have. This is what I'm surrounded by. You know, am I happy? Am I fulfilled? They're so focused on this third party situation or whatever the situation is, this relationship, this wherever they found themselves at, wherever you found yourself at, whoever someone found themselves at, they're sitting here in a contemplative mode. And because they're so focused on their circumstances, whether or not they're fulfilled emotionally, they don't even realize that there's opportunity for growth or something possibly new. So in this third party situation, or in this situation where there's a lot of betrayal and lack and loss and deception, rejection, someone was emotionally unstable, unable to see the possibilities that were being offered. I feel like there's a decision between a water sign and an air sign, possibly, that this King of Pentacles is at the center of. This could represent someone for you. This could be you. This could represent a business or a family situation, a father choosing between, or, you know, trying to decide, you know, something legal in terms of a business, who to leave it to, which child, choosing one over the other, where someone had to like literally reevaluate everything, rebuild everything. I'm picking up more on a third party connection, relationship, where this King of Pentacles was at the center of it. okay? Give me one more on the Three of Swords for Libra. Why the Three of Swords here? Star card in reverse. Yeah, this is giving up hope or being in a situation where someone couldn't see their way out, stuck in a lot of negativity, surrounded by darkness, pain, depression, like not caring. Someone lost their way. Like in this situation, there was no peace. Someone may have had the material things that they needed, but there was no emotional fulfillment. There was just like being thrown off path, just being surrounded by a lot of negativity within this situation, whatever it was, addiction, relationship, third party situation. But ultimately, just extremely negative, painful experience. What's the Five of Pentacles in reverse? What's the Five of Pentacles in reverse? The Nine of Pentacles. I can do bad all by myself. I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to mend. If I ever feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith. And I live one more day and I make it through the rain, okay? So the Nine of Pentacles is Virgo energy, and it represents, again, a lot of earth here, rebuilding, stepping out on your own, severing ties with this business partnership, stepping out on your own, despite all that you've been through, fears, doubts. Manipulation, legal matters. Someone has moved to a space where they are recovering. They are doing fine on their own. They are building. Their aura is bright, beautiful. A lot of work has been done to face certain aspects of why someone would be in a position to be controlled by this King of Pentacles energy. Letting go of lack mentality, scarcity mindset, fear, not trusting yourself, breaking free, cutting a cord. With this Leo or this Aquarius, Pisces, or earth sign, namely Capricorn, but I feel like if there is some type of legal situation that you're going through, you are at the end of it and things are turning around. I feel like you're going to be in a space where you can rest, and someone has really overcame a lot of challenges, and you're just one pentacle away from the Ten of Pentacles, meaning that there's something that's solidifying for you. Like you have everything in line, whether it's a new relationship and, you know, family issues are being healed, but you're waiting on that one last pentacle to get this raise or to partner up with someone or to solidify your business in some way. Or you have the business all solidified and you working hard and you are content within yourself and your family, but you're waiting on the last pentacle, which could be a love connection. Okay, so someone's making it on their own, okay? Someone is on the mend. But I must say, someone's been through some dark periods. I mean, someone feels as if they could have been consumed by their own pain. This could be depression. This could be addictions. Some type of health issues. But again, someone's on the mend and they're going to make it. You're going to make it, Libra. Let's get one more for the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Let's get one more for the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. You're going to make it. You're moving towards new solutions. This is new solutions, collaborations, learning something, growing, building. Whatever this environment was, okay, it wasn't conducive of growing. It was crowded. It was painful and dark. I just feel like there's a lot of pressure put on you or someone in this circumstance where someone lost their head, lost themselves, gave their power away, and spiraled. But your strength is magnificent, because where before you were in a space full of competition, interference, situations and people that you didn't trust, energy vampires, where you were giving, but nothing was being received, or someone was giving of all the wrong things. What was needed was worth and love and emotional support. None of these things were given in this family or this connection, or even if this is you who had it all. But they always say, like, money can't buy love. It can't buy inner peace. Serenity. It can't buy these things. Finally finding a way to move forward from expectations or lack or whatever it is, warped ideas surrounding control, money, and to move into a space where you are reevaluating everything. Your spirituality, your ideas around surrounding money. But I feel like more so this is definitely something to do with a third party situation or a family or relationship where someone may have had a huge influence or promised a lot, but nothing ever took off. You know, there's a lot of lies, mistrust, doubt, pain, betrayal, comparisons. And now someone's moving to a space after healing and doing the work where they are truly going to be in a position to take something from being single to maybe a corporation or working with others, that something can really grow for like a community or something like that. But ultimately it's going to be given, it's going to be take, it's going to be something really solid that will be established and get the recognition that you deserve. You know, it's definitely moving towards something better, something fruitful, and it being successful. Yeah, once again, bottom of the deck, we have the Three of Swords, we have the Four of Cups, which really focuses on a third party situation, right? Focuses on what it is that fulfills you, and why you can't receive the Ace of Cups coming from the clouds, from the universe. So 333, this 5-year process, it's been a lot, but there's rebuilding, there's healing, there's growth, there's money that you have saved that's coming in, new ideas, opportunities. But again, the 3 of Cups in reverse on the bottom of the deck, this is what you're leaving behind, right? And 3 of Cups can indicate community, so this could definitely be some type of business situation or, again, family. But the 3 of Cups in reverse is someone had to move forward because something wasn't serving them. It just wasn't emotionally fulfilling. There was a lot of overindulgence, maybe an alternative type of lifestyle situation where there was just too many people involved, or something that was just way below your moral compass or what you wanted for yourself, but you lost yourself and you found yourself. But here, someone's walking away from a third-party situation, walking away from a marriage, walking away from a family where there was just too much going on, way too much going on, addictions and pain, emotional pain. Let's get a message here, divine advice for Libra placements. Of course, the cards, the energies that came through the strongest for you in this reading: Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Your energy was here very strongly. Libra, Pisces, Aquarius, and Cancer. We also have, did I say Leo? Yes, Leo. Divine advice, we have kitchen magic. Kitchen magic. All right, the kitchen magic card can indicate there being whatever you're manifesting. It could be a business that relates to herbs or natural healing modalities. Someone could be a chef. Someone could own a restaurant. Or a catering business. Or a spiritual business, okay? But the kitchen magic card can also indicate that there's something going on here in terms of possibly work being done, okay? Or someone engaging in some type of manipulation within a connection. But let's see what this card means for you. Kitchen magic for Libra placements, divine advice. All right, the process of manifestation that includes imbuing food and drink or any items that can be made in a kitchen with magical intent. Okay, some of the keywords for kitchen magic. It came out in the upright position for Libra placements. Resourceful, harvest, chemistry, methodical, medicine, alchemy, storage, preserve, creation, herbs, art, cooking, botany, The whole world at your backyard. Preparedness. Olfactory senses. Okay. I'm going to read the block message for anyone who may have been blocked by these circumstances, or who needs to hear this blocked message. Your intention is not in alignment with your actions. This could be something that you have moved through in the past, a blockage that you have overcome, because someone here has overcome some type of restricted energy blockage where you may have not had access to something in the past. You are gaining access to it now. Okay? So, block message. Your intention is not in alignment with your actions. Until you can be fully present and enjoy the process, you will have the perfect recipe for success, but never fully obtain it. Ego and identity will sabotage any chance of teamwork and a successful product, no matter how perfect the conditions. Allow things to cool and stop adding to the mix in order to avoid a mess. I feel like something combusted, something was a mess, something didn't take off, something was unfulfilled potential, something was over before it started, something was just not a great combination. 3 of Swords, 3 of Cups in reverse. But I feel like someone was able to move through this. I feel like someone may be still stuck in this, but someone is evolving. 5 of Pentacles in reverse. A 5-year cycle, 5 years of pain and overcoming and doing the work that's needed to make it through the rain and to stand up once again on your own. Okay, your divine message here, because this card came out in the upright, is that you will see that you have access to everything you need to make whatever you want a reality. Okay, you have that ability. Okay, no more being influenced, no more, again, this idea surrounding money or what you could have or what, looks good or what shows well. It's about like somehow tapping into something that you thought you didn't have access to before, but it's always been there, and taking these steps to move past this third-party situation, or past these addictions, or past these outdated thought processes, or this family situation, or this very toxic connection or karmic situation. You're tapping into that energy. You're moving into the space. I feel like something ended, some type of partnership, whether it was business or otherwise, where it was too much in the mix. The more you add and add and add, it's just no way that you could avoid a mess. I feel like that mess happened and someone cleaned up their act and cleaned up the mess. And here you are, being able to really tap in and have access to everything you need to make whatever you want a reality. Okay, beautiful. Let's get a final message for Libra placements. Divine advice for Libra placements. Recognition. If I ever feel afraid, I'll just hold on to my faith and I live one more day and I'll make it through the rain, right? There is some type of recognition that's coming in for you, okay? It could be a Virgo, or Cancer, or an earth sign. Possibly a Scorpio, okay? But as you continue to move forward on your own, through hard work and effort, everything that you have journeyed through, the challenges, is leading to this recognition. Okay, could be a love connection, it could be a business partnership. All right, it could be like sacred union within yourself, your masculine, your feminine energies coming together. So again, the fragments that you've lost for giving away your power to these situations, it's all coming back. It's all coming back. Okay. And you have the material world. So whatever it is that you are building or working on, because you've done the work, you've healed, you've faced, and there is a blockage that's being removed, a cord that's being cut, something's coming back around, something that you may have given up on. You're no longer restricted, right? You're no longer blocked from it. It's manifesting in this material world. Okay, something is coming in that's very tangible. Money, success, opportunity.